Hi, Alfonso. Happy Friday, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How you doing today?
Yeah, very well. And hey, we really appreciate you joining us and taking the time to share your experience working with us and your results so far. And I wanted to open with this, Alfonso. You're a wonderful client and an absolute pleasure to work with. And so, on behalf of myself and our team of Evolved Agents, we really appreciate you, sir.
Well, you're welcome. Yeah, I've been a pleasure working with you as well.
Well, why don't we dig right into it? We can begin with you explaining your background as a team leader now with Keller Williams.
I made the transition from Palmer House to Keller Williams. I've been with Keller Williams now for 2 months. I've been in the business for about overall and with everything about 26 years.
Wow.
Um, I actually had a referral based business anyway, but I needed more leads for my team. So got with you and I'm receiving leads from my team. I have an ISA that's making calls and setting appointments, and we are up and running and rolling pretty good.
That's awesome. So you were mostly working by referral throughout your career as a real estate agent, right? Mostly sphere to get clients.
I mean, my spirit was I was
Yeah.
about 75% referral based, 25% was word of mouth or just meeting people.
Got it. And then we got together recently. It's been about, what's it been, 2 or 3 months now?
About 2 months.
About 2 months. Yeah. And we got together. We set up some ads for you targeting people looking to buy or sell their home around Atlanta,
Right.
different areas around Atlanta. And then we gave you a trained virtual assistant. We call them ISAs, inside sales agent, to call those leads, qualify them, and then set appointments for you and your team, right? Your team's taking the appointments mostly.
Right.
Got it. And then ISA named Floyd, right? How's he doing?
He's doing real good. He's setting appointments for me left and right.
That's amazing. So how many appointments is he setting on average on like let's say a monthly basis?
I'm probably generating a good 30 leads a month. I don't know. I mean, every week I have new appointments set up. He's probably setting maybe between 4 and 5 appointments a week.
Got it. So those 30 leads, those are like the qualified appointments he's setting for you, basically.
Right. Right.
And out of the 2 months so far working together, how's it been and what kind of results have you gotten?
I got good results as far as the people that I'm working with. I'm up on the contract with some of the people right now. I mean, the closings are coming up soon and they're gonna just continue to come.
That's awesome. How many buyers and how many sellers under contract currently out of the 2 months?
I just started dealing with seller leads, so I have one seller, one listing. I have one listing that I just listed on, I think 2 days ago,
That's amazing. So
Uh,
far, one listing.
and I have a lot of buyers right now. But as I just switched and started marketing for more sellers not too long ago,
Yeah.
they kind of balance everything out.
Okay. So out of the buyers you have under contract and the listing, how much in commissions do you think out of your current clients? There's more to come, but out of the current clients you're working with, how many deals you think will close on the buyer sell side? And what does that equal in commissions, do you think?
It'll probably be within the next month, 3 or 4 of those deals closed, and that's probably gonna equal about 50 grand in commission.
That's amazing. Wow. $50,000 in commissions within 2 or 3 months. That's awesome, Alfonso.
Yeah, it is. It
Good,
is.
good stuff. And how much do you think you've spent on ads up until this point?
2 months, about $2,000.
Wow, $2,000, 50 grand in commissions. Hey, that's like that's a pretty good return.
Right, right.
Well, hey, really appreciate you sharing that, Alfonso. For any agents, like this kind of goes without saying, of course. But for any agents who are on the fence about joining Evolved Agents, what would your advice be to them?
Join Evolve Agents and just I mean when the leads come in, you still have to work the leads. But these leads that I've been dealing with have been it's not haven't been in the trash leads. It's been leads where people usually qualify.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I would say if you want to make some money, work with Evolve Agents.
Appreciate that, Alfonso. Thank you so much. And hey, congrats on your success. A lot more to come.
Thank you.